Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Untuk the myself, my name is Matematika. I from Matematika Education. In this video, I will explain some multiplication or division, perkalian atau pembagian. The first is lowest common multiple, atau yang sering disebut dengan kelipatan persekutuan terkecil atau KPK. The lowest common multiple LCM of two numbers is the smallest positive integer that is divisible by both numbers. Kelipatan persekutuan terkecil atau KPK dari dua bilangan adalah bilangan bulat positif terkecil yang dapat dibagi habis oleh kedua bilangan itu. For example, lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. 6 over 2 is 3. 8 over 2 is 4. Over 2 is 2. 6 equals 2 times 3. 8 equals 2 raised by 3. So, lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 equals 2 raised by 3 times 3 equals 24. The next lowest common multiple of 12 over 2 is 6 over 2 is 3. 30 over 2 is 15 over 3 is 5. 2 raised by 2 times 3, 2 times 3 times 5. Lowest common multiple of 30 and 12 is 2 raised by 2 times 3 times 5 equals 60. Next, lowest common multiple of 8, 24 and 36. 8 over 2 is 4 over 2 is 2. 2 raised by 3. 24 over 2 is 12 over 2 is 6 over 2 is 3. 2 raised by 3 times 3. 36 over 2 is 18 over 2 is 9 over 3 is 3. 2 raised by 2 times 3 raised by 2. Lowest common multiple is 2 raised by 3 times 3 raised by 2 equals 72. Okay, next is the highest common factor. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest positive integer that can evenly divide the two numbers. Faktor persekutuan terbesar dari dua bilangan adalah bilangan bulat positif terbesar yang dapat membagi habis kedua bilangan tersebut. For example, highest common factor of 18 and 24. 18 over 2 is 9 over 3 is 3. 24 over 2 is 12 over 2 is 6 over 2 is 3. 18 equals 2 times 3 raised by 2. 24 equals 2 raised by 3 times 3. So, x common factor equals 2 times 3 is 6. Next, x common factor of 20 and 30. 20 over 2 is 10 over 2 is 5. 30 over 2 is 15 over 3 is 5. 2 raised by 2 times 5. 2 times 3 times 5. So, common factor equals 2 times 5 equals 10. Next, common factor of 48 and 60. 48 over 2 is 24 over 2 is 12 over 2 is 6 over 2 is 3. 2 raised by 4 times 3. 60 over 2 is 30 over 2 is 15 over 3 is 5. 2 raised by 2 times 3 times 5. So, x common factor equals 2 raised by 2 times 3 equals 12. Next, powers. The types of powers. Number 1. A to the power of x times a to the power of y equals a to the power of x plus y. Number 2. A to the power of x over a to the power of y equals a to the power of x minus y. Number 3. 1 over a to the power of x equals a to the power of minus x. Number 4. A to the power of x in parentheses to the power of y equals a to the power of x times y. Number 5. A to the power of 0 equals 1. A not equals 0. Number 6. A to the power of x times b to the power of x equals ab in parentheses to the power of x. A to the power of x over b to the power of x equals a over b in parentheses to the power of x. For example, number 1, 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 2 equals 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 equals 5 to the power of 6. 4 to the power of 5 over 4 to the power of 3 equals 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 over 4 times 4 times 4 equals 4 times 4 equals 4 to the power of 2. 6 to the power of 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 equals in parentheses 6 to the power of 3 in parentheses times 6 to the power of 3 in parentheses equals 6 to the power of 6. Next, roots atau sering disebut dengan akar pangkat. The types of roots. For example, number 1. The roots of 9 equals the roots of 3 times 3 equals 3. Next, the roots of 12 equals the roots of 4 times 3 equals 2 the roots of 3. And next, the roots of 45 equals the roots of 9 times 5 equals the roots of 9 times the roots of 5 equals 3 times the roots of 5 or 3 the roots of 5. And next, logarithm. The types of logarithm. 8 raised by c equals b. Log e to the base of I equals c. Number 1. Log 1 to the base of I equals 0. Log to the base of I equals 1. Log bc to the base of I equals log b to the base of I plus log c to the base of I. Log b over c to the base of I equals log b to the base of I minus log c to the base of I. Log b raised by m to the base of I equals m log b to the base of I. And 10. Example question. Number 1. If log x to the base of 2 minus 8. Solution. Log x to the base of 2 minus 8. X equals 2 to the power of 4 x minus 8. Number 2. If log 64 to the base of 4 minus x. Solution. Log 64 to the base of 4 minus x. Log 4 raised by 3 to the base of 4 equal x. 3 log 4 to the base of 4 in parentheses minus x. 3 times 1 equal x. 3 equal x. Number 4, log in parentheses 8 times 16 to the base of 2 is log 8 to the base of 2 plus log 16 to the base of 2 equals log 2 raised by 3 to the base of 2 plus log 2 raised by 4 to the base of 2 equals 8 plus 4. I'm sorry. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Next, log in parentheses 81 over 27 to the base of 3. Solution is log 81 to the base of 3 minus log 27 to the base of 3 equals log 3 raised by 4 to the base of 3 minus log 3 to the power of 3 to the base of 3 equals 4 minus 3 equals 1. And next is sequences. Number A, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 is an ascending arithmetic sequence because the parents is 2. And next B, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3 is descending arithmetic sequence because the difference is 3. Okay, next C, minus 10, minus 14, minus 18, minus 22, minus 26. That is descending arithmetic sequence because the difference is minus 4. Oke guys, itu dia penjelasan tentang soal dan solusi matematika dengan bahasa Inggris tentang yang pertama lowest common factor, lowest common multiple atau yang sering disebut dengan KPK, kemudian highest common factor atau FVB, kemudian pangkat atau powers atau dan akar atau roots, kemudian logaritm atau logaritma, dan yang terakhir barisan atau yang disebut dengan sequence. Terima kasih telah menonton videonya, semoga bermanfaat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.